Washington is at war, not with an enemy abroad, but with itself. A $900 billion defense bill, it has been passed by the U.S. Senate. Applause, handshakes, headlines, and then a political explosion because at the very same time, U.S. President Mr. Donald Trump, he turns up the heat on Venezuela. Not quietly, not diplomatically, aggressively here. Trump's message to Caracas is very blunt. Return billions of dollars worth of the US oil assets or face consequences. And Washington freezes there. Well, Democrats snap back, furious, alarmed. They are not talking about sanctions anymore. They are talking about war. An undeclared one, unexplained one, uncontrolled one. Have you lost your mind? That's the mood inside Capitol Hill. Lawmakers are warning that there is no clear plan, no public briefing, no vote, no exit strategy. Just a lot of pressure and the shadow of invasion. Is this about democracy or is this about oil? That is the question echoes throughout the Congress. Well, Venezuela already crippled by sanctions, its economy is bleeding, its people are struggling, and now US military pressure enters the conversation here. Here, Democrats feel a familiar nightmare, a slow slide from pressure to intervention to endless war. They remember Iraq, they remember Afghanistan, they remember how conflicts begin quietly and never seem to end. In fact, Trump's allies, they say that this is strength, this is deterrence. But critics fire back, they say that this is reckless, this is dangerous. So what really is happening here? Is America preparing to invade Venezuela, and that too without calling it one? Is Congress being sidelined? Is oil driving strategy again? This isn't just about foreign policy debate. This is a power struggle, and that too inside the US system itself. President versus Congress, oil versus oversight, force versus question, one country, one crisis, two Americas pulling in opposite direction. And the question now haunts Washington in very, very simple terms. Is the US walking into another war before even admitting that it is one?